Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration and derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find about this one. Now we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative f of s, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t. So we have 3 of b minus. We need to do first derivative of a, and the value of a will change for t. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So this one we have number 0. This one, if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of s, and later that the value of s will change for t. Minus, we do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 will change for t. This one we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. So this one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. 8 divided by 2, we have number 4. Now we need to simplify. So we multiply both sides by s. So we have s divided by the square root of s. So we have number 4 with the square root of s. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.